Whenever you see problems in Africa, in Nigeria, you will see Britain, you will see United Nations. They become so generous. They become so generous because they don't want you to prosper. What do? They will release their army to help you and be sucking you people raw. They are doing this to keep Nigeria undeveloped because they know that if they allow Nigeria to develop, that they will lose their balance. They will lose everything totally because all these foreign countries are under they are lying under Nigerians, under Nigeria and Africa to have their substances. Look at Nigeria produces, Africa produces tanre. I think in the Gambia or thereabout, they produce tanre, but there is no phone manufacturing company who uses tanre for phone manufacturing. Where are they taking it to? To overseas. The Swiss chocolates, you see, Swiss chocolate. Whenever you say, I want to eat Swiss chocolate from Switzerland, the chocolate is driven from Nigeria, from Ghana to Switzerland. They become manufacturers of Swiss chocolate. Where is the end product? The raw materials from Africa. Okay, let me come. All this coffee you see people drink. This is coffee. American coffee, Indian coffee. Where do they emanate? From Africa. Kenya is a big supplier of coffee. Sugar cane. Where is it coming from? From Nigeria and Kenya, who are the big producers. But they will tell you Africans are the poorest people. But without Africa, there is no America. You know that. You know that. They will talk you down and make you feel inferior because you are in Africa, so that you will not realize your potential and stand up. That is what makes me so emancipated when I see the behaviors of African leaders. Yes! Where are they sucking down natural resources like the crude oil, petroleum, and the other natural resources like gold? Nasarawa State, they have gold. The zinc and other natural resources is in Nigeria. The coal in Enugu, they are taking it every day and day by day. But they will tell you Africa is the poorest nation in the whole world. Where? Because they have changed our mentality not to develop, to make us feel so inferior. Where is our doctors? If not Africa, there is no America. All our doctors now are in America treating people. That is why if you get headache here, if you develop headache here, you fly to India. You fly to America. When will Africa survive? They don't want you to succeed. Because if you succeed, we have talented people. All these things you are importing from Europe, importing from Luxembourg, and all the rest is manufactured by Nigerians and Africa in general. You don't know that? Know it from today. I'm just teaching you. You are supposed to pay me. If this is your first time of coming across, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Share it across to people to open the eyes of Africans. Can you imagine when a British person will come to Lagos to study? They are coming to study in Lagos. They don't want that. That is why they don't want you to develop, because if you develop your natural resources, they will come to study here. They will buy ticket. Imagine. How would you look like to an American or a British person to scamper for visa the way we are scampering for visa to come to Nigeria, to come to Africa. You know, they are taking it as shameful thing. That is why they don't want us to survive, to get our resources in order for us not to become great like them. Do you know why the West? Do you know why the West always barge into our troubles? Do you know why our leaders in Africa is being taken away, destroyed? Let us take, for instance, number one, Thomas Sankara of Burkina Faso. He wanted to make Africa great, that no intrusion of the West. What happened? they killed him. Muammar Gaddafi of Libya. What happened? Muammar Gaddafi want to unite Africa. What happened? They killed him. Malibu Julius Kambarage Nyerere of Tanzania. What happened? They removed him from authority. Osaje Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana. What happened? They saw that things would have been done very well. What happened? They removed him from office. Who is doing this? The West. Samuel Masisi Marshall. What happened? Before you know it, he went to the world beyond. He was assassinated. What of Ruben Inobi of Cameroon? What happened? These are the questions we should ask ourselves in Africa. Why is Britain talking about Nnamdi Kanu? It's not talking about Nnamdi Kanu, who holds their citizenship, their passport. Why are they not talking about Nnamdi Kanu? Because they know if Nnamdi Kanu comes out, he will have a sovereign state that will be better than the Britain. They know that. They want to continue colonizing us. They just remove their one leg from colonization. Now I enter the other leg with neo-colonization. Whatever that will happen, if the people who are colonized by the French, when they have problem, they run to France. When people that are colonized with Portuguese, when they have problem, they run to Lisbon. The ones colonized by America, they will go to America. And the ones for German, they will run to that place. That is how Africa is losing every day. If you are in Africa, say no to this imperialism. Say no to this new colonization. My name is Ambassador 𝐍𝐍𝐀𝐌𝐃𝐈. I am a man who refuses to keep silent until things are done right. Until Africa rise to realize its potentials, things will not be done well. We need young men and women like Ibrahim Traoré that will come up and lift Africa to a greater heights. God bless all of you. Subscribe to this channel and share it across to people as God continue to bless you and bless your family. Take care of yourself.